Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Avast Antivirus on your Windows for free. And let's start the video. First of all, go to your search option on the left corner of your Windows. Here just type Microsoft Store, click it to open, and now on top of the search bar just type Avast. And here you can see Avast Free Antivirus. Click that option, and here you can see the option install. Just click it. It will automatically start to download, and it will also install it from your Microsoft Store. So all you have to do is just to wait, because this is a big file, is about 784 MB. So wait for it to fully download, and it will install it once the download is completed. So we're gonna wait for it to complete the download. As you can see, the download is already completed, so it is going to install download. You can see from this Microsoft Store. As you can see, the installation has started, so we may have to wait a couple of minutes. As you can see, the installation is completed. I'm going to click open. I'm going to minimize the Microsoft Store here, and here you can see the software is also in the icon here. So now I can stop the use the antivirus by clicking start smartphone and all of that. So this is the video. I'm catch you on the